So here's how you install the wood trim piece without cutting it when you're installing a large screen Android radio in an e46. You grab it like so and you put it behind the unit while it's upside down. Then you flip it over and you got to make sure that you line up that little pin on the inside. Once you line it up, you just press it into place, and there's no need for cutting it, modifying it in any way. This unit's fully bolted in. And then you take your other piece right here and you attach that, and everything is assembled. So there you go. That's how you install I believe that's a Chicane unit, but any large screen Android radio. Basically use the unmodified wood trim. Alright, peace.